Meaning of hostage-taking.
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 Hostage-taking. Hostage-taking is the act of holding someone captive in order to obtain something from others, such as money or political demands. This can be a violent and dangerous situation for both the hostages and those attempting to negotiate their release. The consequences can be severe, including injury or death of hostages or captors, damage to property or infrastructure, and social or political instability. In summary, hostage-taking is a serious threat to public safety and security, and requires careful handling to minimize harm to all involved parties.